You guys don't think you add value because you're in sales, okay? I've done some sales for some consulting companies, right? I didn't work for them. I sold stuff to them. Okay, I'm not going to name their names. Might sound like, I don't know, McKinsey or Forrester, I don't know, right? I'm not going to name those names, okay? But I was at their companies. They're great, by the way. I don't need a lawsuit. You guys know more than they do about the spaces they consult. Why? Because they're freaking consultants. People lie to consultants. Two things with consultants. People lie to them because they know they're a consultant. They don't want them sharing their dirty laundry. And people ask a consultant, what do you think? There's not a lot of intel going into the consultant. It's mostly $900 an hour output. You as a salesperson have seen more boardrooms than they have. You as a salesperson have gotten under the hood of these companies a lot more than they have. So all of you on Easton University right here, right now, all of you need to realize you have as much intelligence and gray matter between your ears as a McKinsey, as a Forrester, as a $900 an hour consultant. And in many cases, you're privy to information, complaints, and the goings-on of the industry that nobody would ever open up to them on because they're trying to get on the magic quadrant. They're not going to tell people what's really going on with bad hires and what's really going on with the data. You know who they tell that to? A salesperson. Not just any salesperson, a skillful one that says, man, there is something going on that every CIO is having to deal with. I just want to make sure you were aware of it. Yeah, what is it? Data migration. Okay, everything's coming over. It seems like it's coming over, but then when it gets down to the application level and your people are trying to take that information on, say, a password reset call, now all of a sudden you have your internal sales team or your internal support team working on that password reset call with one of your physicians there at Centura Health. By the way, tying up the resources of both. Hopefully it's not an anesthesiologist that's needing to reset their password because we now know all the surgeons, nurse practitioners, everybody else in the room can't operate until the anesthesiologist goes. And it's all because of the data migration and their credentials weren't able to come across. How are you guys dealing with that? By the way, it was a lot better than a McKinsey or a Forrester could ever come up with because they don't think that way. You do because you're a salesperson. They just have to come up with information. You have to find a problem and actually solve it. They don't solve anything. They just give out mission statements. But that's how I feel about them for the most part. And it's not how I feel about them, it's how I feel about you guys. You guys got to remember, you are experts, you are consultants just as much as they are. You work in sales and I'm going to give you $300. I'm not kidding. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective coaching in the world for sales professionals like you. And right here, right now, for a few of you, I'm going to pay the $300 for you to get the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more. You're going to have more fun. You're going to get a lot more done in your career. Click the link right here, right now. I will give you my closing mini masterclass for free. I'm covering the $300 cost. Click now. I'll see you on the other side.